Hi DrawSoCuties, Winnie here. Happy 2020. If you're checking out this video, it must mean you're a super fan of my art, and I want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Thanks again for all the requests to make this look back at 2019 DrawSoCute drawings. Just go to my website at www.drawsocute.com and you can download this poster that I've given to you for free. And you can do anything with it that you like. You can print it out, you can use it as your thumbnail on your phone, on your laptops, anything you like, as long as you don't try to sell it. I'm totally cool with it, and I just want you to enjoy it. So seriously, this year has just flown by. I mean, every year flies by, but it feels like this year has really flown by, and I've done a lot more videos this year. I think last year, 2018, I probably had like a little bit over 200 videos. This year, I really ramped it up towards the end of the year, and I probably have like 250 some drawings on this poster right here. So hopefully you see the ones that you've come to love, and I hope I've inspired you throughout the year to keep loving art and to keep drawing. I'm really looking forward to 2020 and continuing all this cuteness for you. Not sure if I'm going to change up anything yet. We'll have to see. But hopefully, just like I said last year, I was going to show up on the camera a little bit more. And I did, right? In the beginning of 2019. And then I kind of fizzled out a little bit. But hopefully with 2020, I'll show up on the camera a little bit more. And not be so insecure about being in front of the camera. And so that is one of my goals for 2020. And other than that, I just hope to continue to just loving what I do, being creative for you, and thank you for inspiring me as well to continue drawing. And it's just such a wonderful thing to be able to do this and to share it with you. So I would be nothing without you guys, and I hope you know that. And I really appreciate all the comments you guys give me, all the ideas and requests, because without you, I would really be lost with what's trending or what's going on in the world, right? I'm in my own little cocoon, so there's only certain things I know about. So without your help, I would be lost. So I'm very grateful for such sweet fans and all the nice comments and emails that you guys send me. So I hope you guys have loved watching this compilation of all my 2019 drawings. So many, right? Oh my gosh. Definitely let me know in the comments below which one of these drawings has been your favorite, or which one you've really struggled with but then kept going at it and it actually came out really amazing for you. That has always been my goal, is to inspire you and to make these drawings easy for you to follow along. So hopefully I've been doing that. And make sure to go to my website and DrawSoCute.com, and you can download this for free and enjoy it. Just do whatever you want with it, but just don't sell it. That's all I'm asking. So before I go, I just want to say I love you, cuties, and thank you for everything from the bottom of my heart. I will see you soon with more cuteness. And of course, stay happy, stay sweet, and stay cute as always. See you later.